Hi, Crafty friends. Lacey here, Cheeky Bum, back with another collective haul, but I have some boo mail as well. So this one is from Sophia, which is her. Yes, I will link her down below. Um, she and me and like I don't know. There's maybe 6, maybe 7 of us are in just like this little Happy Mail group. Where we send out Happy Mail when we can. It doesn't have to be anything big. It's supposed to be, as flat as possible, but, just, something to brighten somebody's smile. So I've gotten some boo mail from Sophia. So she's got this cute little Memdex. October, we kind of do a little theme if we can each month, but it's not required. I did not get out October's. I did not get out in November. So I will probably do a decent Happy Mail. I plan on doing a lot of Happy Mail for December if I can at all possible, at least cards. I have not crafted much this month. I just haven't been feeling the best. I'm going to be gone all like the last week of November, and this week is kind of prepping to do that. I have my son's birthday is early December, so I need to get out him a goodie box, and yeah, I just not have had time to craft as much as I normally do. But we're going to get into it. So she's got this cute little Memdex. I love her. I love a ghosty. And it's just handmade for Boo by Sophia. That is so cute. And then she's got a cute little card here. Or I think it's cute. I'm sure it is cute. Oh, look at this card. This is so fun. This like some of all my favorite things. It's Halloween, it's neon, it's hollow. That is so stinking cute. And look at the inside. It says, "Hey pumpkin, boo to you." Those are some cute stamps. Oh, I think I need those. How cute is that? Thank you so much, Sophia. She's got a little note that just says, "Happy Halloween. I hope you have had a fun day. Thanks for swapping with me, Sophia." Oh, thank you so much. And let's get into it. I think first I'm going to do TJ Maxx. So actually this was HomeGoods. Like we have a TJ Maxx HomeGoods. I went to a couple towns over to get a few things. Or I wanted to go to a HomeGoods. I don't have one super close by. I have to drive a little bit to one. But I found some good stuff. I also have Walmart and Target as well. But first off, I found this 3-pack of pom-pom trim. It was $7.99, but I like the pom-pom trim when they're kind of smaller pom-poms and they're like close together. They're not like super spread out. Red, white, and red and white, of course. I feel like I can use these for, the red and white scream a little bit more Christmas, but red can be used for Valentine's Day, 4th of July, whatever, white, anytime. So I grabbed that. They did have some other really cute ribbons, but I just didn't really think I needed them because I just, got a whole bunch of ribbons from Michael's when they were doing their sale. I think they're still on sale, but it's buy 2, get 2. So it's not as good as the buy 1, get 3, but still better than nothing. I also got these gingerbread napkins. I'll probably be sharing these, but I'll probably do some laminating or attempt to do some laminating. I know that I'm not going to be as good as Lisa, but I am going to give it my all. I am doing a lot of gingerbread crafting, so I thought I would give these a go. These were $3.99, but I will be sharing some in some Happy Meal as well. I also got these cards, got me. So, of course, I want to try to make as many Christmas cards as I can, but I thought these would be really cute to use in my December daily or a junk journal or something like that. I'll probably be sharing these as well. These were on the pricey side, but they were just so cute. These were $6.99 a piece, but look how stinking cute these are. And, I have envelopes as well, so what are they, like? It's like a 5x5 envelope or card. But these are the little cards. Nothing super special, but I just thought that they were so cute. It's giving me kind of like aristocrats Christmas vibes. I don't know. They're just the cute little kitties. I thought they were adorable. And then I got this Santa because he's got like a vintagey Santa looking, or a vintage Santa look to him. I think that my December daily, I'm going to go more with a vintage Christmas vibe. I did open these as well. Yes. I tried to open these beforehand so that, I wasn't struggling on camera, and I'm still struggling. There we go. So they're just these little Santas. I liked him. I liked that it had metallic. It's just simple like that. But again, I will probably, I don't know how exactly I'm going to utilize this. Like I could put this on a page and I can put like a picture in here or something like that. I'm not quite sure. But I thought he was really cute. I don't know how many cards. How many cards do you get in here? Does it say? You get 12 greeting cards. So yes, do I need 12? No. I can probably share some I have other fellow friends that are doing December dailies and, you know, do a lot of journaling and stuff like that too. So I will be sharing. And then I found this and I was so excited. I didn't know exactly what it entailed, but I love reading. I love books. And I'm also in a book club with a couple other crafty girlies. So I was like, ooh, this could be fun. I might be able to use this. It was kind of pricey. It was $9.99. And it's just like, it just says it was a pairing game, but I thought the book box was cute and I was excited and I opened it up and it was kind of like wah, but it is what it is. So basically you get a whole bunch of these little chipboard cards, which are cute. This is what the back looks like on all of them. It says like Little Women, Pride and Prejudice, Alice in Wonderland, The Secret Garden, and The Odyssey. And actually all of those are in like one of my favorite, like in my list of top classic favorite books. And then they're just like this. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with these. I will probably do something with them. I mean, I could punch a hole and, you know, I can embellish these up, add flowers. I could add some foiling. I'm not quite sure what exactly I'll do with them, but I am a book lover and I thought that these would be really cute. And they have a lot of really good books. Like, let's see. I probably have read almost all of them. So Adventure of Sherlock Holmes. I think I've read almost every single Sherlock Holmes. Dracula. Yes. I've read Art of War. The Picture of Dorian Gray. Yes, that's a good book too. Jane Eyre, Moby Dick. I've read all of these. The Book of Tea, I have not read. I didn't even know that was a book. We have the Count of Monte Cristo, one of my favorites. Peter Pan, Through the Looking Glass, Wizard of Oz. So I opened up like 2 stacks, so they both looked identical. So I'm guessing these are the matching pair. Sultan's Dream, I haven't read that either. So there's 2. Hunchback of Notre Dame. I haven't read Herland either. Legend of Sleepy Hollow, of course. Last Day of Pompeii. The Young Visit. I haven't read that. I've read Frankenstein many times. Les Mis I have. Little Folk Books of Verses. I haven't read that either. Wuthering Heights. Pickwick Paper. And A Room of One's Own. I have read that as well. So I don't know. I just thought that they were really cute. I'll be able to do something. I'll definitely utilize the book box for something. Maybe I just put, you know, some of my book journaling supplies in it. I don't know. I can do something. I mean, this is just cardboard. It comes out. But anyway, I thought it was cute. Hopefully I'll be able to utilize it in some way. I was hoping that it had like a big board. It would be a little bit more like the bingo cards, which it's not. I mean, it is a matching game, so I should have known that. But it was books, and I just got excited. So that's what I got at TJ Maxx. Let's put all this aside. Can I put this aside without it toppling over? Yes. Next, I found some goodies at Walmart. I was heavily influenced by Samantha, who is Southern Charm Paper, because she found some goodies, and my Walmart has been so slow at putting stuff out. I think most of it's out, but I don't know. There's still some bare spots, so hopefully it'll come out. I got a few of these bow bags. These I think are 49 cents a piece. So I got a few of those because I feel like I can use these for other things other than Christmas. But they're really cute. They had a lot of cute tree bags, but I held back because I know that I have some in my stash and I've purchased some lately. Because I think I picked up some at Target. I don't know. But I did get those. I've seen Samantha haul these and I had to get them. They are gift tags and they're bows. We all love bows. Well, I guess not all, but most of us do. You only get 3 in here, and I don't remember how. I don't have my receipt, of course, do I? That's Marshall's. Oh, Walmart. Oh, it's not for these though. Of course it's not. Am I gonna watch me struggle? It's a struggle bus today. But look how cute these freaking tags are. They're so fluffy. So it's basically a metallic bow, and it's got faux fur sandwiched in between. They need to be cleaned up a little bit, but they're really cute. I think they were $2 something. But they're cute. You get 3 in the bag, and I mean, obviously there's a bow theme. I also got a few of these bow tumblers. So I'm putting together some Happy Mail. I'm also in a few swaps. So I figured, you know, bows can be used all year round. They have gingerbread ones that are so cute, but I feel like bows are more all year than some of the other prints or some of the other ones they have out there. So got a couple of those. My Walmart did not have the gingerbread salt and pepper shakers. I have to go to another one to pick them up, but I got the Christmas tree so I can make, I'll be putting out a video soon. I'm going to make some tassels. I don't know how well these ones will work because the holes are on one side, so I don't know how well they will hang. But I'm going to work on these. These are going to be for family anyway. I'm going to take these with me when I go out of town next week for Thanksgiving and gift them. So I need to work on those real quick. Picked up some of these. These are my favorite hot chocolates. I love these so much. They're just so good. I think these are like $2 a piece. But these are some of my favorites. So got a couple of those. I found some more masks. Of course, I found some bow masks because how cute is that? Bow themed stuff. But then I also picked up some of these because it's bestie, and there's always somebody that does a tea swap. I have a lot of friends that also like tea, so I thought that these would be really cute. So these ones are chai tea scented. What are these? Does it say what scent they are? It does not say what scent. Oh, that's kind of, maybe they're non-scented, I don't know. And then I also got a couple of these. I'm thinking about doing some, like, I have a whole lot of ideas, so I'm gonna, like, random people will get, I mean, of course I have, you know, some people in mind that I've gotten Happy Mail from, and I need to reciprocate. But I think I want to do a Christmas movie themed. So I got some of these candles because I thought that they were really cute, and do some popcorn. Maybe a list of like my favorite, or I don't know. I don't know. I have a movie themed something going on in my head. So hopefully I can make that happen. So that is Walmart. Let's see, Target. I found the little jars. Most of the Christmas ones were pretty lame this year. I mean, they had like, some of them had like a clay bit mix, but it was only half. Like you had shred through half of it, and you only had like this much that was a clay bit mix. It's not worth it. Go to Hobby Lobby, basically you can get the same mix. There was one that had little white pom-poms for snowball. I mean, like they just weren't great. That one had like one little itty bitty Christmas tree, but I thought these ones were really cute, and I liked all the bright colors of beads, and I was like, oh, I think I can utilize those. So got those. I also found this memory game. But again, I will probably use this for December daily, junk journaling type of thing. So I'm hoping that these are really cute. They were only $1, so let's see. I think they also had like Old Maid and some other things, but usually the matching ones have at least good pictures that are good for using as ephemera and stuff like that. So let's see. So they have the candy cane stripe on one side. Oh, these are cute. These are cute. So these will be good to use as like little ephemera pieces. Yeah, junk journaling, something like that. I feel like they're all pretty cute. I like the colors. They're kind of pastel-y. So these are really cute. I like them. And even if you're just a pocket letter person, these are great to use as pocket letter as well. You can cover one side with scrapbook paper, or, you know, and then one side's already decorated for you. So that's kind of nice. So there's that. I also picked up this book to use, like, to take it apart, basically. I really like the Nutcracker. It's one of my favorites, and I have a niece that's a dancer. She's been in the Nutcracker, I don't know, like every year for, I don't know, past like 10 years. But anyway, I thought that I could utilize this as, like, yes, a junk journal / December daily somehow, some way. Even if I'm just kind of incorporating the story along the way. I don't know if I'll use the pictures or not, but I thought it was really cute. And they were only $1. But then I found some new stuff. I picked up 2 of these. These are $5, which is kind of expensive for an embellishment box, but it is pretty decent size. And again, I have some like one-on-one Christmas swaps, so I think that I will probably try to utilize this. And I like how big the things are, so I can put like flowers in one, I can put bows in one. Yeah, I can just put a lot of different embellishments other than like charms and beads and stuff like that. So will those probably go in here? Maybe. But I was thinking for more like small embellishments, this would be a cute way to gift those. So yes, I got 2 of those. I got some lotions. The EOS, I love these ones. I got the cocoa cashmere, which I really like. But they didn't have any of those, so I picked up a couple of peppermint and a couple of the caramel. I feel like those are good gifts, especially for a one-on-one swap. And then I found these. So they have a new, these are spritz, and they have like a new like planner line for the new year, you know, new year planner. And it's all like celestial. So these were $5, but you get 6 sheets. You get 120 wax seals, and I like these because they were like the transparent, and there's plenty that I can share. But I thought that the colors were kind of cool. So you get like a purple, a tealy green, a blue. Oh, I think one is kind of pink and one's kind of purple, and then this yellow. And are they all the same? No. So this one's like a mixed colors. This one has like the purple, the pink, the yellow, and more purple. I don't know. I just thought that they were really cute. And again, I can share these and gift them. But I like that they're clear. I like that they're colored. I just thought that they were really, really pretty. So I will be sharing some of those in some Happy Mail or something, or swaps, or I'm not quite sure. So that is my haul. I did find some new products, and yes, on the lookout for more cute things. If you have any questions, let me know. But if not, happy hunting, guys.